Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a new project in a Screenshot Bro app. Once your app is opened, you need to hit on Create Project button and in this pop-up window name your project. So I'll just put a test project name, and you can either choose one of the templates that the app provides you with, or you can create a blank project. If you would like to go ahead with a blank project, you can choose a different screen sizes for which you are building your screenshots. You can create screenshots for iPhone, iPad, and Android. Once you're done with this step, you just need to hit on Create Blank Project button, and it will take you to the main menu where you can use all of the cool features and tools that the Screenshot Bro provides you with to shape up truly beautiful and stunning screenshots. If at any point you decide that you would like to reset your project from a template, you can do it by clicking those three buttons, Reset Project from Template, and choosing the corresponding template. Once you do this, the system will ask you to confirm your action and you just need to hit Reset button. And right now you have a really good foundation to make your screenshots even more beautiful. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates.